Good morning, everyone. So, today we will start with the next topic sonography from the lesson Study of Sound. In the previous topic, we have seen sonar, SONAR. The full form is sound navigation and ranging. Like sonar uses ultrasound, sonography also uses ultrasonic waves, that is ultrasound, the sound which is having the frequency more than 20,000 hertz. Now, most of the us are familiar with this word sonography. Whenever we fall sick or if we suffer from any disease, doctor uses different methods to diagnose the disease. What is there? Is there any problem in the internal organ? So to identify the disease, doctor uses different methods. For example, some of the time with the help of blood test, but if blood test is not giving the proper result, so sonography is needed. With the help of sonography, one can see the internal organs and detect the disease. For example, any tumor, the reason for the swelling, like that. So, in this case, ultrasonic waves are used to produce image of internal organs of the human body. As it is given in the first point, an instrument is there which produces ultrasound, and that ultrasound produces image of the internal organs of the human body. Now, let us see how it works. We will study the process of sonography. Do you think any camera is there on that instrument? With the help of camera, one can see the internal organs of the human body? No, there is not a camera, but instead of camera, it produces some sound. Those sound are ultrasounds, and those sound goes inside our body. And as they are going inside our body, after going towards the internal organs, the sound gets reflected. And because of that reflection, we can see we can observe the internal organs. Now let us see the process of sonography. The first step in the sonography is before starting the sonography, a gel is applied on the skin outside the internal organ to be examined. For example, your stomach, the organ which is to be examined. If there is any problem in the stomach, the gel will be applied on your stomach. After applying the gel provides proper contact between the skin and the probe, because with the help of that probe only the ultrasound is transmitted. So, the gel provides a proper contact between the skin and the probe used to transmit ultrasound inside the body. So, that probe transmits the ultrasound inside the body. After this, the next step is the wave reflected from the internal organ are collected by the probe and fetched to a computer. Now we have seen reflection of sound. Whenever sound comes from the source, after hitting to any object, the sound get reflected. So here also reflection is taking place. Sound will get reflected after going towards the internal organs. Like that, the waves reflected from the internal organs are collected by the probe and fed to a computer. Now, what will happen? The computer produces the image of the organs. Okay, as we have seen, using that instrument with the help of that probe which transmit the ultrasonic waves after receiving the reflected rays. With the help of computer, the images are formed on the screen. The computer produces the image of the organs. And last, this method, in this step, the uses of sonography are given. Why the sonography is used? This method is painless, as you will not feel any pain during this method, because only the sound is produced inside the internal organ. It is used in determining the cause of swelling. Now, what will be the cause of swelling? Swelling क्यों है? Infection, pain, the condition of the heart, the growth of fetus inside the womb of a pregnant woman. Okay, now it is the most important use of the sonography. Whenever a woman is pregnant, so with the help of sonography, one can see the growth of the fetus inside the womb. Okay, so these all are the uses of sonography. So let us see. Like this is one of the example. Here you can see in this picture, this doctor, she is holding one probe. She is observing the internal organs on the screen. As she is holding the probe, she is observing the internal organs on the screen of the computer. Now, I hope all of you understood the process of sonography. So, क्या होता है सोनोग्राफी? जब भी हम बीमार पड़ते हैं, whenever we suffer from any disease, ओके, क्या होता है? डॉक्टर हमें बोलते हैं, सजेस्ट करते हैं सोनोग्राफी के लिए. सोनोग्राफी में क्या होता है? क्या उसमें कोई कैमरा अटैच होता है? नो, वन प्रोब इज़ देयर, है ना. हमारे आउटर सरफेस पर जहाँ की सोनोग्राफी करनी है, वो क्या करते हैं? दे अप्लाई वन जेल, हमारी स्किन पर जेल अप्लाई करते हैं एंड वहाँ पे यूजिंग द प्रोब के यूज़ से, वो प्रोब क्या करता है? अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्स ट्रांसफ़र करता है. इट ट्रांसमिट्स द अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्स. ओके, सो आफ्टर ट्रांसमिटिंग द अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्स, वो अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्स क्या होंगी? हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स की तरफ जाएंगी. इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स की तरफ जाने के बाद उन वेव्स का रिफ्लेक्शन होगा. देन वो वही प्रोब क्या करेगा? उसे रिसीव करेगा. जैसे हमने सोनार में देखा था, ट्रांसमीटर ट्रांसमिट करता है अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्स एंड रिसीवर रिसीव करता है. सो लाइक दैट प्रोब क्या करेगा? ट्रांसमिट करेगा एंड आफ्टर ट्रांसमिशन जब उसका रिफ्लेक्शन होगा, रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज उस प्रोब को रिसीव करेगा एंड उसे रिसीव करने के बाद उसे हम कंप्यूटर में फीड करके हम उसका इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स देख सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर द प्रोसेस we will come to know the actual problem in the internal organ which is causing the disease. ओके, जैसे कोई स्वेलिंग है, किसी हमारी बॉडी पर कहीं पर स्वेलिंग है, तो उस स्वेलिंग का रीज़न क्या है? इंटरनल ऑर्गन में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? वी कैन ऑल्सो डिटेक्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ट्यूमर्स एंड ऑल्सो इसका एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट यूज़ ये है कि व्हेन अ वुमेन इज़ प्रेग्नेंट, जब भी कोई वुमेन प्रेग्नेंट होती है तो उसके इनसाइड बेबी की ग्रोथ चेक करने के लिए एवरी मंथ कि किस उस मंथ में जितनी ग्रोथ होनी चाहिए थी उतनी ग्रोथ है या नहीं है. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ सोनोग्राफी द ग्रोथ ऑफ द fetus inside the womb of a pregnant woman is checked. Okay, so these all are the uses of sonography. So I hope this is clear to you. Now I will stop here. Thank you.